Let's jump right into this explainer on finding your rural property boundaries using everyday tech.
Finding remote dirt without a street address? Yeah, that can definitely stress out new landowners.
But today, forget expensive surveyors. Your smartphone already packs some incredibly impressive accuracy.
Phase 1, couch prep. Let's gather your digital fingerprints before you even hit the road.
Grab your APN, pull exact coordinates right from your contract, and prep your device.
Definitely download offline maps while you're on Wi-Fi. Out there, cellular service is notoriously spotty.
Phase 2, the drive versus the walk. You'll actually need different apps for each stage.
Google Maps handles public roads perfectly, but specialized apps will reveal those hidden parcel lines.
For the drive, literally just paste your decimal coordinates right into Google Maps.
Once you arrive, fire up OnX Hunt or Gaia GPS for real-time boundary overlays.
Or try LandGlide. It's totally the rural easy button for instant owner info beneath your feet.
Phase 3. Boots on the ground. Finally, it's time to step onto your actual dirt. Calibrate your compass with a figure 8, walk from the center out, and hunt for boundary clues.
Look out for rock cairns. They're a super fascinating historical method for marking land corners.
Keep those eyes peeled for cairns, old metal survey stakes, or bright pink flagging tape.
But remember, off-grid expeditions demand strict safety protocols before you even leave the driveway. Double-check if you need four-wheel drive, text someone your plan, and absolutely pack a backup battery.
If you get stuck, the Land Limited team personally scouts these exact remote locations for you.
The old barriers are gone. Your dirt is waiting. What will you build when you claim it?